Asparagus Tart. This elegant, savory tart features asparagus, fontina cheese, prosciutto, and fresh thyme baked on top of a golden puff pastry crust. Start by thawing the puff pastry at room temperature for about 40 minutes, or until it's easy to handle but not too soft. To save time, you can also let it thaw in the package in the refrigerator overnight. Next, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, unfold the thawed puff pastry on a lightly floured surface. Roll it into a rectangle about 10 by 14 inches. Place the pastry in the center of the baking sheet and brush it with mustard. Next, fold the edges over about 1/4 of an inch and crimp with a fork to form a seal. Once baked, this will turn into a delicious, light and crispy crust. Now, arrange the asparagus in a single layer on top of the pastry, and then sprinkle prosciutto, fontina cheese, and fresh thyme over the top. Bake for 20 minutes or until the pastry is golden brown and the asparagus is tender. Serve asparagus tart warm or at room temperature, as an appetizer or for brunch. It's easy, elegant, and delicious, any way you slice it.